ano daw pong paliwanag ng oil companies? Bakit daw po ganon? Eh kung bulk buyer kayo, ba't ang taas pa rin ang bili nyo?
Market forces kasi ang sinasagot nila, no? Dahil ang sinasabi nila na paubos na daw yung inventory. So, walang klarong explanation ho. Parang ano lang nila, parang sa gusto lang nila kung ano na yung presyo na for the marine sector.
Small player ho ba ito o big three?
Actually, there's a combination. Even Petron or even Shell, no? Iba yung pricing nila. But mostly kasi, pag nasa Visayas, Mindanao, or even Southern Luzon, marami na kasing mga resellers. But these resellers are authorized by the big three.
Okay. So,
Yes.
reseller, anyway, kasi nga po, alam din naman natin, no? Depende po yan kung saan lugar, magmula sa depot, yung cost of logistics, etc. Pero ano ang effect nito ngayon sa inyo? Sir, dito nga po sa inyo sinasabi na overpriced naman masyado ang inyong bili sa diesel.
Okay, it's like this, sir, I would like to explain. No?
Sige
Sa
po.
maritime industry, ang rule of thumb na mga shipping is 35 to 40% of our cost is fuel. So, before the Middle East crisis, last February 28, no, prices of diesel was only something like 54, 55, ranging on that level. No? So now, if our cost is already 90 to 100, that means almost practically 90% of fuel, ang increase ng cost of fuel. So if you put it in our costing from naging 40 to naging 35 to 40% fuel cost namin, ngayon nasa 80 to 90% na, no? So that's why we were pressed to increase our rate. But unfortunately, Marina has regulated up to 20% maximum increase. No, we are doing that. We are complying doon sa 20% max. But ang aming apprehension is tomorrow there will be another round of big time increase. No? They're looking at 20 pesos per liter. So we are seeking Marina's assistance na i-authorize nila to have another round of increase.
So kumbaga sir, wala kayong choice to be able to float. Ika nga, you have to increase again your fare.
Yes, sir. That's correct. Fare and the freight of goods, no? Ang amin sana, sir, kung matulungan kami sa Department of Energy na medyo pantay lang sana yung fuel prices sa mga gas stations na binibenta. At least makakatulong, no? And, Department of Transport has even given, I would say, support to the airlines. Hindi yung mga airport fees binabaan nila, discounted and things like that. Eh sa aming industry ho, wala talagang walang assistance pa sa gobyerno. Samantalang the shipping industry is the backbone of our economy because practically everything na basic commodities are carried by the shipping sector.
Opo.
We are the cheapest mode of transport. So, pag masyado na hong mataas yung cost of operation, siyempre papasa namin sa publiko, no? But this will have a very big impact sa ating inflation because the cost of logistics about 30% of the goods that are being sold in the inter-island economy, no? So parang mas malawak yung impact pag tumaas yung aming presyo. At sana para makusyon lang konti, ay hindi naman masyadong lumaki. Government should take a look on how they can support the maritime industry.
Opo. Sir, pwede ho ba para magkaroon na ho tayo ng kahit papaano po ay kumbaga kaisipan dito po sa inyong gusto mangyari po sa pagtataas ng pamasahe and for the marina to allow you more than 20% no ng taas sa pamasahe. Kung halimbawa po ang pamasahe ay sa regular po wala itong krisis ay 100 piso, no? Wala pa itong Feb 28 na gera. Kung 100 piso ang pamasahe, more or less po dito ngayon sa development kaninyo na sobra na ho ang taas ng singil ng inyong mga suppliers per liter, more or less magkano dapat itaas po na at least kikita kayo?
Actually, yung initial na 20% based on last week pricing, pwede na kami doon, no? We have magsasakripisyo naman kami para lang sa bayan. But what we are really worried is etong bukas na may additional na 20 pesos per liter or thereabouts, no? So dapat may timely intervention ang marina to allow increase, no?
So ilang porsyento po ang inyong nakikita in consultation with your members, sir? I'm talking about at least po para meron tayong imahinasyon man lamang kung kaninyo 100 piso, kung 20%, 120 ng pamasahe, so more or less, mga magkano pa ang gusto nyong idagdag, ilang pang porsyento? Another 20% to make it 140 na ngayon, magiging 40% na pong aumento?
If matuloy yung 20 pesos bukas na per liter increase, then that would mean siguro nasa mga additional 10%. Meaning maging 30% na ang increase.
Mga kapatid, para sa iba pang mga balita at impormasyon, sundan niyo po kami sa X, Instagram, Facebook at syempre sa TikTok, True Network PH. Mag-subscribe din po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, True Network. May website din po tayo, truenetwork.ph. At pwede nyo rin po kaming mapanood sa Channel 19 ng aming True FM TV. Lagi pa rin makinig sa radyo dito po sa 105.9 True FM dahil dito, laging true sa'yo, kapatid.
Dito tayo sa totoo, tunay at tapat.